has steering mounted controls, audio controls on the steering for a very convenient driving for the customer. You look at the instrument cluster. It's a very neatly designed instrument cluster with a lot of display being given to the customer for convenient driving, including mileage, etc. So it's very convenient for the customer. You then move to the infotainment system. The vehicle has a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which actually provides a very user-friendly display to the customer while he is using the same. Moving to the interiors and the gear. The most important part of this vehicle is the 1.5 liter new engine, which has been supported by the Xtronic CVT gearbox. So if you look at this gearbox and the gear lever, this has manual as well as automatic mode. So in both the modes, the customer can experience the drive the way he wants to. Coming to the air conditioning, the car, as has been providing in the past, provides a very good air conditioning for the customer, making the drive even more comfortable along with the CVT transmission given in the vehicle. The dashboard has been given new color accents. Now these accents are in the fiery red color, which is also a new color being launched in this particular variant. If you also look at the door trims, they also have been given upholstery with lining of the same color, which is fiery red. The car upholstery, including the seat covers, also includes the same red along with the fantastic black which has been given. So overall the interiors have a new theme with black being the base and fiery red being the accents. So it's a very nicely packed interior which gives you a lot of features at a very attractive price of 10.42 lakhs in Chandigarh. Now let's have a look at the rear cabin of the vehicle. So if you look at the vehicle is very spacious. As you can see, there's a lot of leg room given for the rear customers. There is a bottle holder given in the middle, which is convenient. Usually people find places to keep this. Adding to this, we again have a very beautiful cabin, a very spacious and a beautiful cabin with again the red accents on the black interiors which are there. So overall, it's a very good package for the customer at 10.42 lakhs. The car retains its boot space of 471 liters, spacious, very spacious boot for a lot of luggage and other things to be carried with the car. Again giving convenience in addition to the comfort and the drivability already there in the car. So this is the new petrol engine which has been given in the petrol Duster we've just launched. It is the 1.5 liter 106 PS engine, which is very powerful and yet very efficient. So as said, Duster is bold, intelligent and efficient. The mileage has also gone up in this vehicle. So this is perfectly mated with the CVT Xtronic gearbox which has been given in the vehicle.